Hi guys, good morning. Today we are going to see an unboxing of Spartan Pro Gear jacket for riding bikes. As you all know, jackets are very expensive, but Spartan is a company in Chennai and they are giving good jackets at very competitive rates. So let's go and see the jacket, how it is. I ordered it online. These people are doing it. A very quite competitive price, but now let's see the quality of the jacket, what it contains, what protection it has got. The jacket is out of the packet now. See, this is the jacket. It's quite nice and it is Aspida body armor. I think it will give a very good protection when you ride the bike. It has an inner removable lining. You can remove it. Or if you live in places very cold, like temperatures can go down to 15 degrees and things like that, Bangalore, Pune, other places where temperatures are likely to go down, you can use it with inner liner. Or in places like Mumbai, Chennai, you can remove the inner liner and use the jacket. Let's now open the zipper and see how the interior looks like. Now seeing the inner liner and the certification. This is Aspida C certified. I think C certification for bike riding. It's a good jacket. Open and see the jacket. You can see the protection. See? This is the protection for the back. Similarly, you have got protection for shoulders. See, there are pads here for shoulder, arms, both the shoulder and the elbows. It has got protection. Quite nice jacket. So, at a very competitive price and very good material it is. It's breathable, good material. Those who can't afford high price, however want to ride bikes with safety jackets, can go for this. Let's now wear this and see how the fitting is. This is a XL size. Let me section for the back, which I have taken out. You can see, I think nice, something on fall or something from the bike. You will have some protection. Now I am wearing the jacket. It's quite perfectly fitting. XL size, I bought it for me and it's reasonable. These jackets are supposed to fit tight so that they are not loose and all the protections are in their place while riding and in the event of any untoward incident. The back protection is especially very good, and similarly for the shoulder and for the elbow, everything is damn nice of this gear. Quite cheap, 3,750 bucks, home delivered, a Chennai based company. So that's why I opted for this. However, I don't know, unless in the event of a fall only, the actual, capability of this gear will be known, but still, something is better than nothing at a very competitive price. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell button for getting more and more updates. Quite a few vlogs are going to come with respect to biking and super bikes, their gears, cheap, competitively priced products, quality products, not only from Chennai but from Mumbai, Pune, about Triumph bikes and Harley Davidson bikes. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.